guys, so today I'll be doing my zombie look I will wear for Halloween. I don't have a costume, but I'm probably just gonna wear like some regular jeans and a shirt. So I'm gonna start off with a tacky eye base, and I'm taking this ColourPop E1 eye blending brush. I'm sorry, I used this before. And I'm gonna be taking this shade right here called Champs. And I'm just gonna, from the Yes Please palette, from the ColourPop Yes Please palette, I'm just gonna be placing this in my crease. So the best way for me, I figured out the best way for me to use these shadows is to like really just blend as soon as I put it on my eye instead of tap with ColourPop shadows. That's what I figured out. So you want to bring it out too. I know y'all can't see that much, but that's what I'm doing. So I know by the time this video come out, it's gonna be past Halloween and it's gonna be past my birthday. My birthday is next week. Now we're going into the Morphe 35B, and we're taking this orange shade right here. I know they discontinued this palette, but you use any orange shade you have. You're gonna apply that right where we just applied the other shade. I already did a like iZombie inspired look on my channel before, and this is basically the same thing, just a regular zombie instead of iZombie. Also, if you have dry skin like me and you like worried about me baking, please don't be worried, guys. My smile line's really creased, so it's okay for me to bake them. They be creasing up. Okay, now your eyes like this. I know we jumping in a lot of palettes. I know that's like annoying to people who don't have all the palettes. But next I'm gonna take this shade Sunset from the Beach Cosmetics. This is my Red palette. It's this red orange shade right there. And we're just gonna do the same thing with the same brush. See, if you don't have as much resources, as many brushes as I do, you can still do this look. I mean, I don't have all the brushes in the world, but I have enough. And I also, guys, I did do my face makeup first, as you can see. So I'm going to take the ColourPop E9 brush, and I'm going to go back in to the shade Champs from the ColourPop Yes Please palette. This one right here. And just put that right back over my crease. I'm taking the Beach Cosmetics. It's my Red palette again. I'm going to take the shade Connie, the darkest purple, on this e.l.f. blending brush. So we're just going to tap into it like twice. Well, that was more than twice. But we're going to pack it on our lid like this. And start blending out with it too. So I start taking over the eye look. And blend it into the other colors. And outwards. See how quickly that transformed the look? You can take not the e.l.f. brush, but the brush you just used to clean up the crease and do that. Okay. Now, you can do liner if you want, but this looks so dark, it don't really need a liner. So I'm gonna go underneath my lash line with the purple next to Connie Friday right here. It's a lighter purple, but it will show up. So, and connect it. I'm taking my black eyeliner from Stila, the waterproof one, and I'm gonna line my waterline. This shade right here called Midnight. It's a dark brown from that BH Cosmetics. It's my Red palette. And Smoke. So to clean up, because we made some mess, I'm going to take my concealer brush and my ColourPop No Filter concealer in Deep Dark 54 and just cut it. Don't use a lot of concealer. We'll just cut it out. Of course, you can set that. That's what I'm about to do. With the excess powder on my brush, I'm gonna set that. On my sponge. And blend in this powder right here. I'm using the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. So after that, now we're gonna contour. See, as a zombie, you did. So we're gonna take the purple shade from earlier, Connie, right here, and contour. So I'm gonna take my brush off and tap it toward one time. Suck in my cheek. As you can see, I'm not that good at contouring. Rose contour. Oh God, I went down too far. So I'm gonna use a little bit of black to darken it up. Ooh, then I used too much black. I'm wiping off my brush right now, so it's not too crowded. Just blend it out. That's all I got to say. I look sculpted. It's okay, guys. And blend out the nose. Blend it up on your nose so it go up to your eyebrow too. Hopefully I don't cry in front of the whole class for my presentation. I look sculpted. And do the same thing on your temples. So I'm taking the purple shade. My skin is quite dry on my forehead, but I'm still going to do this for the sake of the video. And like barely tap into the black. Like, see, that's already too much. And more purple to cover up the black. And zombie. So you want to clean that up. So I'm going to take my powder. Where I put it. You want to do this with a loose powder. Not a pressed powder. A loose one. You know. Your Laura Mercier. Whatever one you got at home. Banana powder. I'm using my Makeup Revolution banana powder. Tapping my sponge into it. See, that's a lot. So I'm going to tap some off in the back of my head. Just like that. Let me get some more. Look, y'all. Bake that too. Okay? Because you are dead, okay? I mean, if you really want your eyes to be super bright, but I don't want to do that. I don't want to look too unflattering. But I love the way these eyes turned out. And we're not done yet. So wait y'all. I'm swatching it for y'all. Let me put it on my hand, right? Y'all see that? We taking that shade on this pencil brush. This is like a custom made eyeshadow. Taking down this pencil brush. You can spray it, but and I'm just tapping it at the inner corner. But that add more to the look. So now that you look super dead, you want to spray your face. I'm gonna be taking this